Incredible moment caught on camera. Quick-thinking bystanders at a Michigan carnival rushed to save the day. As you see, that carnival ride full of passengers nearly tipped over. Eva Pilgrim has the details. Good morning, Eva.
Good morning, George. Something obviously went terribly wrong with that ride. The company who puts on the carnival saying they don't know what caused it to malfunction yet. But what we do know, the kindness of strangers and neighbors who jumped in to help likely saved a lot of lives.
It's the horrifying moment this carnival ride swings out of control at a festival in Michigan.
You've got to be kidding me.
You can see the massive pendulum attraction holding nearly a dozen passengers, tipping back and forth. At one point, the base of the ride nearly lifting off the ground. Trevor Drew was on the ride.
I've never seen anything like shake like that. I've been on that type of ride before, and I can tell it's like a lot more violent. It seems a little more shaky.
The incident happening on an attraction called the Magic Carpet Ride at the annual National Cherry Festival in Traverse City. Festival goers rushing to the attraction, trying to hold it steady.
Once it started moving like that and it looked like it was about to tip over, I was like, this is not happening. It was to the point where the base of it was like leaning way back, and I was like, that looks like it's about to like fall back into the river right now. It was just, I could not believe what I was seeing.
So how can you be sure something like this won't happen at your local carnival this summer? The Consumer Product and Safety Commission technically oversees the safety of all portable rides which travel state to state. But it's up to each state to implement that oversight. Some states like California and New York require regular inspections, while others like Texas require yearly. According to safeparks.org, 9 states require no state oversight at all.
Now, according to the Michigan Department of Licensing and Regulatory Affairs, carnival rides in their state are inspected annually. Arnold Amusement says it inspects its rides every morning prior to operation.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.